Today, basically, I'm trying to get this to add. What it does is it will add to. Let's go to it. It'll add these panels so that it shows up in the thing. The only problem is somehow the editor script seems to run twice. It doesn't run once. It runs twice for some odd reason. I have no clue why, but it does. You can't check to see if it's. I don't know how to say it. It's running twice. I have no clue why. So maybe tomorrow I'll get to it. I don't know. So yeah. So I guess that's about all I have to say today. Okay, today I got my little bug fix. It's not repeatedly running ready because basically with the tool script it will add. Okay, so not with the tool script, because maybe because it's a tool script though. But so basically what it was doing was when I saved the last time I saved the scene, these room names were still in there. So when I first started up, it would actually load those in, and so it would run the ready function in there. So I was running it twice because I was recreating it twice. But now it doesn't do that because now I fixed some stuff in the code going back and forth between Grok, and so I didn't really get like a whole lot done today. I reformatted the output. I modified some of this code to initialize and load stuff, and now it loads everything up pretty good. Running setup visuals. So yeah, and everything works fine. And if you go into the 2D deal, you'll notice all of these here are changed, and you can move them around. And the next thing I'm going to do is the placement. Anyways, that's really all I got there. I can hit play, and we can still do everything like normal with that. So that seems to work. Anyways, that's about it. This is going to read for Thursday, March 27th, 2025, which I probably actually changed the name so it doesn't say that, but it's actually technically part of March 26th because I wasn't getting anywhere fast, and the ChatGPT kept on kind of screwing things up, and but eventually I got to what we're looking at here. And actually the reason that this is so wide is because we're doing about 40 characters wide per box, and using M as a sample letter thing. And of course, M is wider than every other letter, and so it makes the box extremely wide. So we'll fix that. But the big deal is that basically there is 5 lines here of text, and then a sixth line with an ellipsis, so that you can know that there's more lines of text, but so that I can tell what the what's in the box. And then tomorrow I'll work on adding another separator for the name and this. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got done, and we'll see what happens next. Okay, today on Thursday, March 27th, 2025, what I got done is I finally got Grok to help me adjust the doors that I on it. So this is the room with the setup visuals and the resize panel, and this is for the editor stuff here. And what it produces is it produces this. Now, it doesn't produce this per se like this. This is eventually what I want it to look like because they'll be like these might be children nodes to that. This isn't what it's set up right now. Right, set up right now is one right after the other. When I start adding choices, it's going to look sort of similar to this. It's going to have links connecting to the nodes, which are the pages or your choices. The more choices you have, the more horizontally expanding it will be. It'll be sort of this waterfall kind of chart kind of thing. So I finally got it. So what it does is up to 5 descriptive lines, about 40 characters each. And if it's more than 5 lines, the description part that has an ellipsis to indicate that there's more text. Even though you won't be able to click on that, I mean, you'll be able to click on the node and be able to see it, right? And see the description and your choices and stuff. So if I do this, reload save scene, it starts like this. This is 1-to-1, and these are all overlapped. So I'll have to start the placement tomorrow. I'm going to add a separator between the name and the description, and then I'll start placing them, and then eventually we'll have a whole thing where I can use the editor to make and create my rooms and stuff. So that's exciting, and that's pretty much what I got done today. Okay, so today I didn't get that much done here. See all this stuff. I don't even know if this is for today here, if this is from previous days, but basically it's just a bunch of stuff where was trying to position these. I did add the separator this time, and I did move the handle or the anchor or whatever you want to call it to the center here. And actually, I might change that to be the top center instead of at the separation line. So we got that. But I was trying to position everything. I did not get to the positioning part of it. It wasn't working. So I'll have to handle that later, and I'll have to handle that on Monday. So that's all I did today.